Welcome. I'm glad you guys are here. I wanted you to tune in to something awesome. I'm basically going to break down Casket VIP on Marauda. I was doing it and I was like, oh my gosh, there's so much to learn. So I want to show you guys how he made this song. I'm going to remake this song, and I usually start like this by breaking down each part of the song. We're going to listen, break down the sections, and just kind of learn song structure and how he layered everything and timed everything. So check it out. So right away, this is intro, effects, sweeps, delays, and then we go into some metal riffs. So it's like the buildup starts right here. The rest of this is just breakdown. There is a nice drum fill, tom fill. I'll keep that in mind, but really this is the breakdown and like a little bit of guitar. That leads into the buildup. VIP. One of my favorite songs. Basically, it looks like the song isn't too long. It drops at 33, but the drop you see is 16 bars. 2 16-bar drops. Pretty long intro. These guitar riffs, though, are what set the tone. There's so much energy that this counts as a prominent section. Let me get out of the guitar and transition out into something more dark, ominous, and then build up into something tear out. This dynamic switch, though, like going to this almost silence. VIP. It's so clean. VIP. Now, if we listen to the actual drop, that's the fake out. No drums. Drums start here. It's like fake out and guns. This would be the guns and the drums. But then we have a fill. Vocal fill straight into a new, like, pitch down bass. Then look, we have 2 fills here. So basically a fill and then a call. All right. The guns play for 4 bars. We cut the guns and go straight into the pitch down bass for basically 4 bars. We kind of cut it. We don't even get a full 4 bars because it's vocal pre-drop. And this fill. This feels dope though. Then we go back to the guns. Another call. Another fill. It's like a slowed down vocal fill. Guns. Pitch down. The pitch down bass also has that bass that like goes, it's like ta 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 while it's pitching down. Or boom, 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 boom. It's like moving back and forth. Very rhythmy. It's a very rhythmy bass to be playing. If you pay attention to the drums too, they're basically rhythm drums. Kick clap combo. So when you break it down like this, his super complex song starts to look not as complex, to be honest. Like, we have two main sections, the gun sections and the pitch down bass sections. Then we have some fills and calls. Okay. Gosh, his guns are like super layered. Like, you listen to the middle signal, the strong, heavy gun with the sub layered. Then on the sides, there's like almost noise on this wide noise. And if you listen to the snare, there's like a prominent clap in the snare. That's a good snare clap combo. These definitely sound like massive patches for sure. How loud is this? I don't know if you notice this, but like, it's really loud and you can turn it up a lot and it doesn't really hurt. It's mixed very well. Listen to the sub. Really like mid-heavy sub. Super. The sub is always doing something different. Different movements in each section for the sub. Definitely makes really nice groove. It's awesome to see. The way that sound is like slowly pitching down. Helps a lot with the movement. Ends it with the clap. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Nice heavy guitars. Build-up's really short. He's definitely doing a lot of things that aren't completely normal, but you see we're still working in 4-bar sections, 8-bar sections, keeping it easy, so all the timing and structure makes sense. Dropping it at 33. It all looks really good. Sounds amazing. Easy for him, and we need to make sure that we keep it simple, you know? Check out your layers, do your phrases, your sections. Don't forget about these dynamic shifts. Going from super loud to quiet. Really important. And don't forget about your fills and your calls. If we only had the basses playing, it would sound repetitive, but these calls and fills right here help. This is like how we transition between the phrases. That's awesome. And these guitars. There's crashes, drums playing. Drums are essentially playing the same riff as, the drums are playing the same rhythm as the guitar riff. This is nice. Simplicity. Simplicity is key. But all this dark energy with the guitars sets the tone, sets the atmosphere for the craziness that ensues. And you hear that the guitar starts to filter out. And there's a vocal that actually starts before the pre-drop. The main vocal, hit them in a casket, starts, and then the VIP pre-drop goes after. Very clean. From here, I'm going to start to remake it. Just wanted to show you guys basically what we got going on with the Marauda song. Song structure, flow, layering. These are the things we got to look at. We can try to emulate this so we can match the high energy these guys are bringing. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. A-Town.